is coming. Freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Ọmọ Yorùbá, freedom is here. Freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Ọmọ Yorùbá, freedom is here. Congratulations to all of us. Sunday Adeyemo Majasola Igboho Osha has already been vindicated. You can only run, early hide. You can never hide from the truth, no matter how you pretend. No matter how pretentious Nigeria government try to be. Lè sá fún òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Yorùbá wọ́n ní tí ló bá lọ ní 20 ọdún, ọjọ́ kan báyìí ní òótọ́ máa bá. Thank God. Adisa has already been vindicated. Owó bàbá Dami. Okay. Damilola ni tiwọn. Okay. Ẹ máa wá sọ fún madam, this is tẹ́ bá ti bí Damilare. Adisa, ẹ sọ fún madam ẹni kí wọ́n sarajọ a fẹ́ bí Damilare. Ọmọ Yorùbá ṣé ti gbọ́. Nigerians as a whole ṣé ti gbọ́. The director of DSS has come out. I have the video here. I'm not reading it from anywhere. I am playing the video for you. You go take your eyes see am. Take your ear hear am. Ó ní àwọn ò lè protect Nigerians. You guys can stand up and defend yourself. Not be the same DSS go Sunday Igboho's house. You can only run. You cannot hide forever. No matter how you try, you cannot hide. Finally, Adisa has been vindicated. But amid all this thing, waiting with the talk, see this policeman. Can you play video in your phone? This comment, pop up, new online. Okadiyenje Adaina Hussein Dantaki. He said, I swear to Almighty God, we must do something for you guys. Have you forgotten all your brothers that are living here in the north? Mark my words, after 1 week, you shall see the results. When the comments pop up, àwọn Nigerians tí wọ́n rí àyè láti tú di kókó pẹ̀lú orúkọ tó ń jẹ́ yìí, ó gbọ́dọ̀ ní kinní kan, wọ́n wá lọ sí page ẹ̀. No wá rí pé policeman ni. Unfortunately, this policeman tí wọ́n bá post ẹ̀ sí Lagos State, tí wọ́n bá post ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ Igbo, that is why you see them. Wọ́n kò máa pààyàn anyhow. Wọ́n ní nǹkan lọ́kàn wọn. Mo sọ nínú show tí mo ṣe lánàá, mo ní Fulanis are not betrayers. They don't betray themselves. If you see Fulani shoemaker, Fulani malu, Fulani whatever, including Fulani police, Fulani na Fulani. Spare malam from the front, na malam. Spare malam from the back, na the same malam you go see get. And Latiano is over 24 hours when this policeman make this statement. Mo kàn wò wọ́n báyìí pé àbí wọ́n á mú ni, àbí wọ́n á gbé ni. Till now, that can never do. Who go arrest am? Who go arrest the real son of Nigeria? I don't talk am, me and you will be adopted children. Now let's hear from this our Baba's mouth, the DSS, the Jagaban, the Jagapompo, the Fandram. Àwọn Fandram Nigeria ni àwọn náà lọ sí Sunday Igboho tó ń dá bí ẹdun, the DSS bá fẹ́ mú anybody. Wọ́n á lọ pé DSS. DSS don't hands up. They say, àwa mi máa rẹ́ o funfun nẹ́nẹ́. Àwa mi máa rẹ́ o funfun nẹ́nẹ́. Yeah. Àwa mi máa rẹ́ o funfun nẹ́nẹ́. Àwa mi máa rẹ́ o funfun. They say police no get time. Protect yourself. No army, no Google defense, no nothing. We will hear for his mouth. Baba, so it's okay, sir.
About the practical approach to mobilizing to curb insecurity. I'll share experience with you when I was state director in Bauchi. Most of you will remember an incident in Azari. A group of terrorists, the Boko Haram, then had invaded Azari. They were shooting in an attempt to kidnap, and the community chased them. They killed some members of the community, but the community members killed all of them. The last guy, Khalid, climbed onto a tree and was firing. The community stood, they were resilient, and they killed Khalid. Since that day, there has not been one terrorist attack in Azari. As a matter of fact, the former head of state, General Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida, said, and I quote, "If we want to stop or curb this terrorism, we shall emulate the Azari example." Tafawa Balewa also happened to be a local government in Bauchi that was always in flames. And the people of Bogoro and some part of Tafawa Balewa, where the Sayawas are, rose up on one occasion. They knew their terrain better, climbed onto trees and mountains. When the invaders came, they did not only repel them, they seized their weapons. And since then, you can attest to it that you hardly hear about Tafawa Balewa again. What I'm trying to say, the practical approach to mobilizing people is that you have to get everyone involved. You do not expect the Nigerian Army, police, DSS, to protect every Nigerian or every community. It is not going to work. In the US, if you visit someone in the house, you will be shocked that when the guy hears a police siren, he will just pull his drawer, bring out his gun and keep it. So one of my hosts did that, and I asked him, "Why are you putting gun here?" He said, "Well, if they are chasing someone and he enters my house, I'll shoot him first."
Wow.
And that is the layer we have to start thinking about. How can you create first line of defense? The military, police, and other security agencies are to deal with the bigger ones, the organized ones. But it is impossible for us to deploy it to every community in the country. It is unimaginable that any security agencies that has the resources to do it. So as we live here, we all belong to one community or the other. What we have to start experimenting is how we can make the community to prepare first, if the first line of defense for it. General Wahab said it clearly. And for me, there are 3 takeaways from his lecture. By the way, the general and I were guest speaker at one program in our office, so I'm not surprised that his dexterity. He has developed some sort of expertise in what he does. But 3 things for me. He asked us a question. What is our own culture? Our culture is communal. We do things together. Festival together. Ceremonies together. Wedding ceremony, whatever. So why can't we fight some miscreants, some charlatans among us together? The community should say, "You cannot come here. This is what Tafawa Balewa has done. If you go to that community to attack them, you'll be sorry for yourself." I challenge anybody to try it. And this is the way we have to do. We have to allow some level of armament for the communities, and they can serve as the first line of defense. Second takeaway from what the general said. Whole society approach is not the first time we are hearing. But what I'm saying, the way to do it is when we live here, those of us who have some influence, the elites in society, discuss with your communities, come to us, get some sort of approval and guidance, and then we can stop these criminals. You can imagine you call sector, let's say sector 4 or whatever, sector of the army, to come to this community if there's an attack. Before they even arrive there, they attack another community, what happens? This is what we should take away from here. And lastly, he said something very instructive. By the way, I like Osman. He knows who to give time. Have you seen him around here? He has advised himself. So don't run into trouble like the CDS. Okay, so last thing he said to us, which is quite important, is that we should not make this another talk show. And that's why this is my intervention. That security starts from you. There's nothing that is new. 1870 something, I can't remember. The French Revolution, in the street of Paris, they were beheading people. We've had hijack of plane. We'll forget quickly. We've had the wet ear syndrome. We had so many. There's no Matasini and whatever. There will always be security problem. So when I hear people say this is security in Nigeria, as long as human beings exist, there will be security problem. The issue is the response. We have to take that mentality away. What is the security agencies doing? Who, apart from a tree, knows that they want to come and cut him and remain standing? Only a tree. We have to get the communities to rise and defend themselves first. And the time to start it is now. When you move out from here, I do that every day. I come from a village in Ijebu land, Ogun State, and I talk to my people. I know the level of armament they are entitled to. I know how they organize themselves in quarters. We have 4 quarters. I am using my expertise to guide them. You cannot wait for the military to come and do everything.
Nígbà tí wọ́n dúró dèjọba kankan. Nígbà táwọn ọmọ àwa lágbègbè tó lé àwọn bàbá wọn sọ̀pọ̀tì wa. Kápítà security tó dálẹ̀ fúnra wa. Mo ti mú security kan lẹ́sìn. Mo sọ àwọn kan nífẹ̀ẹ́ lódún ọmọ Yorùbá. Àwọn kan akíkanjú ọmọ Yorùbá. Gbogbo yín lọ́jọ́ ìwọ̀n. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ayé nìkan lọ́jọ́ yìí akíkanjú ẹjọ́ yìí ìfẹ́ lódún. Èmi ni mo dálẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ bẹ̀ ti kú bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwọn àjọ bọ́ sínú igbó abẹ́rẹ́ látẹ̀kìtì. Ìgbà tí mo dé ìmọ̀dé tán ni.
Kúṣẹ́ ni mo ní ṣe wù bàbá.
Báwa la ní ìdámọ̀. A máa arrange ní gbogbo local government. A sì ní security bíi at least I need bíi 60,000. Àwọn kan máa wà nù gbó ti Fúlàní. Àwọn kan máa patrol ní títì láti lè dáàbò bo àwọn bàbá wa. Ẹ má jà bú wọn mọ́, ẹ má bú àwọn ọba mọ́, ẹ má bú lóye mọ́, ẹ má bú àgbààgbà kankan mọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ ni ká wọ gbó ká lé àwọn Fúlàní kúrò lórí ilẹ̀ àwọn bàbá wa nítorí wọ́n ti bàjẹ́.
Ẹ jọ torí Ọlọ́run bá gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ gbọ́ òyìnbó. Gbogbo tí Director General of the DSS, Mr. Oluwatosin Ajayi from Ijebu State, àbí Ijebu land, gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ ṣé kìí ṣe summary ẹ̀ ní olóyè Sunday Igboho sọ yìí. Bàbá ní ìlú kan wọ́n dárúkọ ẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Haúsá, wọ́n ní tó bá wọ ọbẹ̀ báyìí wọ́n ní ò lè jáde tó bá ipá jínigbé ni ẹ́, wọ́n náà máa ń pawọ́pọ̀ pààyàn ni. Wọ́n láwọn kan wá tó fẹ́ wá jí wọn gbéjọ kan ní gbogbo wọn báyìí wọ́n void kidnapping yẹn ni wọ́n ní wọ́n fèsì wọn wọ́n bá wọn fà wọ́n ní kan ti ẹ̀gún òkè lọ wọ́n ní wọ́n jábọ́ o àgbà tí wọ́n pé wọ́n pa wọ́n ní pólíìsì àtọlọ́pàá àti sójà wọ́n ní a lè expect wọn kí wọ́n protect gbogbo wa Nàìjíríà wọ́n ní oníkálukú gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe self defence ọdún oníkálukú gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe kí ni o self defence ẹjọ́ kí ni Sunday Igboho sọ kì í ṣe pé òun náà ni gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ká pawọ́pọ̀ ni ká defend ara wa ó là máa defend ara wa ó là máa wọgbó táwọn pípù yìí Sunday Igboho wá sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ kò wá bèrè sílé kan ibà ẹni Director General of DSS ibà báwo làwọn Ìjẹ̀bú ṣe máa ń kíyàn ibà ẹni náà kọ́ ni ibà ẹni o ẹ wẹ sọ ẹ kúrò ní o ẹ wẹ sọ ẹ kúrò ní o Ìjẹ̀bú àlà rẹ̀ ayé wọn mo gbóyìnbó mo re Lagos ìlú òyìnbó mo tún múra bàbá mi gbogbo ń tẹ́ ẹ sọ pátá láti gbọ́ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ wa kò ní dàbí ti Mr. Sunday Jackson Yorùbá ò tẹ̀ kí ń parọ́ ná àbí ọmọ Yorùbá ṣá máa ń parọ́ ṣé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá máa ń parọ́ nígbà tí Buhari wà ń bẹ̀ làwọn DSS lọ sórí ilé olóyè Sunday Igboho tó yẹ pé DSS ọ̀gá wọn gbà ọmọ Fúlàní ni ṣùgbọ́n DSS tó wà ń bẹ̀ ń sìn ẹ ṣáà gbórúkọ wọn Mr. Olúwatósìn lórúkọ wọn wọn ní Jẹ̀bú làwọn ti wá ẹ ṣáà gbórúkọ Yorùbá lórúkọ wọn mo ìṣú ọ̀pọ̀ ń parọ́ dádì wa ṣá lè defend ara wa ṣé kò ní dàbí ti Mr. Jackson Sunday tó defend ara against Fúlàní herdsmen àbí hunter men tí wọ́n ní kí wọ́n lọ dájọ́ ọkú fún torí ọ̀rọ̀ yín Nàìjíríà ilé tá a fi tọ́ ọmọ ní Nàìjíríà èrì ló máa ń wò ẹ máa ń fi rọ́kàn bo rọ́kàn mọ́lẹ̀ ni ẹyọ mọ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú tó wà ní comment section where una dey show your face ẹyọ mọ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú alpha show tó lọ̀gá DSS ń sọ apart pọ̀ mọ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú o ọmọ Yorùbá ni yín o bàbá ẹ ní ṣe àgbákò ẹ má jojú wa o ẹ má jojú wa o ẹ má kàn sí pé àwọn Yorùbá náà parọ́ yìí ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wò ó péjì òmeyọ̀lá wà yìí ara àwọn comrade wa ni Fúlàní kan lọ sí péjì ló sọ pé this mumu Yorùbá man get ready we are coming to you guys very soon they are coming to us and baba Mr. Ajayi ẹ ti sọ wípé igi nìkan ló máa rí pé wọ́n ń gbé nǹkan bọ̀ tó fẹ́ fi géhùn tó máa dúró ṣingidi so are you now telling us pé ká má dúró bí igi ká ṣe bí ọmọ Yorùbá àtàtà you said don't expect army police orders to protect all of you mobilize to defend yourself against terrorists we are ready to mobilize ourselves aṣíwájú wa tẹ́ gbé sátìmọ́lé tẹ́ àbí tẹ́ lé sẹ́yìn odi báwo ni tí wọ́n bá wa release ẹ̀ tó bá yẹ pé lóòótọ́ ni ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ń sọ ẹ bá mi share video yìí ẹ tẹ́ ń wò ṣe ẹ bá mi tẹ thumb up lórí show yìí níbi tí mo ti ẹ̀dẹ́ inú ti bí mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá yẹ pé lóòótọ́ ni ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ń sọ sà tó bá yẹ pé lóòótọ́ you mean what you are saying sà ẹ jọ sà ẹ bá wa release Sunday Igboho ẹ pé President Bola Ahmed Tinubu wípé Ọlọ́run ti dá Sunday Igboho láre ohun tó ń sọ tí Nigeria government ti kó etí kún bí ẹni pé àwọn ò gbọ́ ó ti wá sí ìmúṣẹ báyìí èmi mo kọ́ pé ní ànábì àwọn wọ́n gé mi jẹ wọ́n ní kí ló tí wọ́n pè lánàbì ibi tí wọ́n pè lánàbì mọ́ ń sìn mo wá ń sọ di òrìṣà tí wà ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá àpébọ àpésìn tí wà ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ bá wa sọ fún wọn ẹ̀yin lọ́ba ẹ̀yin níjòyè gbogbo yìí ti fi ti ara yín gbọ́n sẹ́yìn bàbá wa wọ́n ní ká defend ara wa mo wá fẹ́ béèrè lọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí pátá ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ bi yín ni ta lẹni náà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó lè sọ wípé a nídìí ọmọ ogun 60,000 tí èèyàn 100,000 dẹ̀ rẹ́dí àti jáde láì fún wọn ní ṣíṣì voluntarily tó máa tẹ̀lé bí ìyẹ̀pẹ̀ ẹ má jẹ́ ká wò tó pọ́nà fún wa ní Sunday Igboho lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá ká wá ṣe bí ẹni pé àti ẹ̀ mọ̀ wúlò ẹ̀. Ẹ má ìka tara ẹ̀ ṣe Elédùmarè tó dá ilẹ̀ Yorùbá táwọn òòṣà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Sunday Igboho was given to us free of charge. And ó tún wá ń tẹnu mọ́ pé ẹ̀wọ̀n ò gbowó sẹ̀. Àní kí àwa táwa nílùú òyìnbó yìí ká lè wálé. Káwọn ọba wálé rìn kan yé gbé wọn pa. Kan yé bá olórí sùn. Àìmọye olórí náà ti fọ́ lẹ́nu o. Ìsọnù ẹ̀kú àmọ́ra làwọn ọba wa fi ń ṣe. So tí mo ṣe ń jọ̀wọ́ èèyàn pè mí tó bá kọ́ sọ pé ojúmọ́ lòun sanwó fún àwọn kinní wọ́n ní àwọn àìmọye olórí míì ní kábíyèsí ń wò láwò sunkún tí wọ́n ti fọ́ wọn ní ẹnu. Àwọn ajínigbé gbé wọn wọgbó wọ́n ti rún olórí tilẹ̀kẹ̀ wọ́n ti rún wọn ti bèbè kábíyèsí àti padà lọ sanwó láti fi rìlíìsì wọn kò ṣeé sọ síta. Wọ́n ta wá lọ́mọ tó ní kánìṣó ńlẹ̀ tó lóun ò gba ṣíṣì lọ́wọ́ wa kí ló ta wá ń ṣe ó lọ́ má ṣe wá ní aláìmoore àwọn Fúlàní ìsìn wọ́n káàkiri gbogbo pílátífọ́ọ̀mù ni wọ́n ń jà kiri ní àfi bí ẹni tí wọ́n ṣépè fún àfi bí ẹni tí wọ́n lẹ̀ ní gí èpè. Àkànbí ọmọ olódò orin Àkànbí are you there? Bàbá ṣe yìí are you there? Make a name. You said Buhari should make a name. That you told Buhari Buhari Babangida. You said you told Babangida then to make a name. Nígbà tó ń dá bí ẹ̀dùn tó ń rọ̀ bí òwe tó dúró tán tó lè dúró lórí ẹsẹ̀ nígbà yẹn tó lè pàṣẹ wá. You said you told him to make a name. Ọmọlódò dẹ èní ni 3rd of April 2025. Akálòlò tó wà wájú yín yìí Yorùbáwùyí Abíọ́lá Ayélàgbé Àkànbí mò ń sọ fún eléyìí pé make a name before it is too late. Tinubu make a name. Nigeria ò lè lọ bí kankan. Nigeria cannot go anywhere. Àìmọye fídíò that show these people are ready for war. Èèyàn 16 náà pa lọ́dọ̀ wọn. Now they want justice. And open justice. They want those guys to be arrested and prosecuted. And prosecuted and whatever. And wọ́n fẹ́ kí wọ́n ṣe openly, publicly. Oh, wow, now I understand. Tí bàbá mi máa ń sọ wípé olè ló máa ń mọ̀ nǹkan tọ́jú jù. So they know wípé àwọn tó bá ti arrest wọn kì í prosecute wọn. They will only arrest them. Sometimes they release them. So now they don't want that to happen to their children. Tí wọ́n pa, àbí their children, àbí their whatever. Tí wọ́n pa. Now they want open justice. You see? We are not one. No equity. Kò sí equity. One Nigeria. It's just a scam. No equity. Tell me, Fulani tí wọ́n ti arrest. Ó pààyàn. Tí wọ́n dẹ̀ fún ẹnìyẹn ní justice. I am coming up with the next video. I don't want this to be long. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Put on your notification bell to all and follow me for more. If thumb up lórí show yìí, bá mi thumb up lórí show yìí. Tẹ́ bá ti wá thumb up lórí show yìí tán. Ẹ fẹ́ gbọ́ mi. Ẹ má dákẹ́ àdúrà o. Ẹ share fáwọn èèyàn. See you on my next show. I love you. If you are coming across this page for the first time, lórí page yìí a máa ń ṣakọ. I am the one and only Akalolo of Yoruba land. Adáwọn ọ̀lẹ Yorùbá wọn jọ ọmọ ọ̀lẹ olóyè tí ò pé méjì Abẹ́ní ọmọ òṣèré pààrọ̀. Ẹni tó máa pààrọ̀ tiwa. Ó máa déwájú federal government. Ó fẹ́ gbọ́ ajé àlà ọ̀ àlà. Tó bá sign ẹ̀, ó máa déwájú Elédùmarè. That is to say, ó máa kú bí 99 times the years. Tó bá padà wá sáyé kó wá di Methuselah. See you on my next show. Thank you. I love you. Bye. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ bá mi download tap send. ẹ lo promo code mi Abíọ́lá TTS ní àkọ́kọ́ tí bá kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ ju owó sílé ẹ fi sí kí lè bá gba bónọ́ọ̀sì ní ẹ ní sí àgbákò bó ṣe ń lọ rèé anyway àwọn òní third party ẹ bá ti download app wa báyìí iye tó wó jẹ́ ẹ máa rí lójú ara yín báyìí ni direct deposit dẹ̀ ni àwọn tẹ́ bá send owó sí Nàìjíríà anyway tẹ́ bá wà lè lo app wa o àwọn tẹ́ bá send owó sí Nàìjíríà báyìí inú wọn máa dùn ni tó máa wà káǹtì wọn lọ ní cholo no hidden fees iye tó wó yín jẹ́ kó tó wúdi pókò lákàǹtì yín ẹ máa rí and phone number wa 24/7 làwa ń ṣiṣẹ́ o customer care 24/7 ní 7 days a week 24 hours a day.
The North before now is saying we don't believe in separation. But as I'm standing, I'm telling you that if there's going to be separation tomorrow, the North is ready for it. We are also ready. Let's go our either ways. And I'm telling you this with all sincerity. Northern Nigeria before now do not want to hear anything separation. But as of today, as I speak to you, the North is equal. The North before now is saying we don't believe in separation. But as I'm standing, I'm telling you that if there's going to be separation tomorrow, the North is ready for it. We are also ready. Let's go our either ways. And I'm telling you this with all sincerity. Northern Nigeria before now do not want to hear anything separation. But as of today, as I speak to you, the North is equal.